Welcome back to Love, Sex, and Money. So, here's the question I want to ask you. If you are in a sexless relationship, the question you need to ask yourself is, what is it going to take for me to reach a point of realizing that I am worthy of having a healthy and vibrant sex life? I've worked with many clients who have stayed in sexless relationships for years and years, and what it has done to them was to destroy their self worth and their self esteem. So, when are you going to love yourself enough to say, I deserve a vibrant and healthy sex life, and I'm going to do whatever it takes to get it? And if that means I heal my current relationship, we heal it. And if it means I have to leave my current relationship, then I leave it. But sacrificing your self worth and your self esteem and your sex life for another person just so you can be in the safety of a relationship is quite a significant debt to pay for security or safety of not being alone. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye bye.